Yeah. I'm recording this, I'll get you back. Hey, everybody. Big guy here. Welcome to Mike's Garage. Last video, we talked about going and talking about tools, different kinds of tools you would need around the house. And we were just recently at a baby shower. We didn't go into the baby shower. It was like a drive-by baby shower because of the COVID. So we just dropped off the gifts for the bride and everything like that. And I always like to try to think of the guy. Now, he's not going to have a whole lot to do, might change some diapers, you never know. But something always comes in handy. Now, if he's just even a little bit handy, he's going to need some basic tools for the house. There's toys going to have to be put together. There's other things that have to be repaired, hang a picture, hang a photo, tighten up a screw somewhere. So here's a couple different things that we're going to go over here today. You can get a lot of different kinds of screwdrivers that they start out this big. This is a regular tip screwdriver, has a real tiny little handle, and it's really hard to hold on to. And then you can go to one that's a little bit bigger, okay, a regular tip screwdriver. They have them with wooden handles, okay. They have them with plastic handles, different sizes, different shapes, all that to give you some kind of a better grip, okay? This is a Phillips. This is a Phillips that's a little bit bigger. There's all kinds of different screwdrivers. Well, the good news is you can get everything you need in one package, okay? This is one you can get at the hardware store. It has a super big grip. You could tell, here's a regular screwdriver, and there's the grip on the other one. Now, I have kind of really big hands, so I need something to hold on to because I can wrap all the way around that, and it's one of the biggest ones they make. So it's even good for small hands. If you want to be able to get some torque on tightening that screw, you got to have a good solid rubber handle on it. The plastic handles get sweaty and they slip. The wooden handles do the same thing. You can tap on this. You can't hammer it, but you can tap on it if you need to. Okay? The other thing is it has a caddy on it, and it carries all the different sizes of the regular screw that you'll need. And you can take those out, whichever size you want, put it in the end. Now it's magnetic, so it doesn't fall out. And when you want to change it, you just pull it out, put it back in the spot, and choose the other size that you need. Now this one only came with standard screwdriver tips. No other, just the standard screwdriver tips. So you have to get a little bit of creativity and get a different package. Here's one that DeWalt makes, okay? It opens up, stores nice and neat, has a little slide lock on it. You can unlock it and open it up. Should come open easily. There you go. And inside, it has 5 different size Phillips screwdriver tips, and it has 4 of the regular screwdriver tips, and it has a torque bit in there too. And that's good. A lot of IKEA furniture and things like that comes with a torque bit. They do give you a wrench with it, but it's really hard to use, okay? So what we got to do is this actually opens up and stands up on the workbench, so you have all the screw bits standing up, and you can pick the one you want. It's all the different sizes of Phillips from the smallest one up. You got a torque in the middle, another smaller torque, and it also comes with 3 additional screwdriver tips. So if you need something really tiny, okay, you can get away with using one of these. Okay, so you don't need to buy these real small little electronic screwdrivers to go with it. You can get it all in the one kit. Now, if that's not good enough, there's even a bigger one. This one is a dial. It has an index on the bottom that tells you what size it is above. Okay, it comes with an extender, which is magnetic. You turn that around to the one you want. The extender slides out. okay? You can actually put that in the end of the screwdriver, so it makes it a little longer if you can't reach where you're going. This is also magnetic. Then you can select out of here. You turn that little window around, I don't know if you can see it, to the size you want. Okay, you keep turning it, and the selector goes around. So we're going to take that Phillips screwdriver tip, turn it over. Only the one you want will come out. And you can get that screwdriver tip and put it right in the end. And that is magnetic, so that won't fall out either. Okay, if it's the wrong size, you go back to the index, you go down one size, you get the smaller tip, and that will do the right job for you. Now, if you don't buy good ones, they'll break. They will. You'll be able to break it. I've broken cheap ones just with my wrist, snapping them off, breaking the tips, getting it all jagged. So you have to buy a good one. DeWalt makes a good one. Craftsman at Lowe's. Lowe's now carries most of the Craftsman tools. DeWalt, Bosch, they all make good, solid, hardened tips for screwdrivers because they do a lot of contractor stuff there. It's a few dollars more. It'll last you a lifetime. And like I say, it's a very handy gift to give as a wedding gift. Just moved out, got your own apartment gift, going away to college gift, those kind of things. It's really handy to have a screwdriver. I don't recommend lending your tools because you'll get a lot of that too. If somebody finds out you have a really nice set of tools or screwdriver, people come looking for them to borrow them. So I hope that was helpful. If you want to give me a comment and ask me some questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Next time I want to talk about wrenches and pliers. This is a vice grip. We'll go over what this does next time, and we'll go over the regular pliers and channel lock pliers and try to cover all that because that's also a handy item to have, okay? Hope that was helpful. I really could use you to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. And thanks for watching. Listen, do something nice for somebody. Check in on some old person with this COVID. Make sure everybody's okay. Even if it's just running to the store for somebody, it's always helpful to do something nice for a stranger. Okay? Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. Everybody take care. Be safe.